Afternoon, students. How are we? I should say good evening.
Good evening, sir.
We don't. Any of you here has a past paper?
Good
Can just
evening,
share it.
sir.
Yeah, hold up, Papa. Anybody has a past paper? Could just drop in the room for me, please. I need to get some questions. Any papers?
I think I did share everything that I had in the
Mm,
group.
okay.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, sir.
Requested a prerequisite override from last week. I've been doing it almost every day, but I still haven't get a response.
Okay. All right, no problem.
Christopher Aaron.
All right, no problem. We'll just remember before the end of the class.
Yes, sir.
I woke up on one. I don't know if this question, if you did it already.
Which one?
It says log base 4.
Hold on, hold one moment, hold on.
It's a multiple choice question.
Yeah, that's fine. Wait, go. Tell me what you're gonna read.
Log base 4 bracket x divide by 10 bracket minus log base
Look, no.
4
Wait. Look at what I have. Log to the base 4, open bracket, what?
open bracket x a plus. Sir, hold on there. My eyes them kind of something. Let me zoom this up. I'm gonna zoom something there. Sir?
I'm hearing you.
So it's actually plus 10. Close
No,
bracket.
no, hold on, no. Look at what I have on the screen.
Hold on. I'm not seeing a screen. Hold on 1 second. Let me open this. Yeah. X
Mm-hmm.
plus 10. Close bracket.
Mm-hmm.
Log minus
Mm-hmm.
log base 4.
Mm-hmm.
Open bracket 7
Mm-hmm.
minus 2x.
Mm-hmm.
Close bracket
Mm-hmm.
equal 1.
And the instruction said to solve.
Solve, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see if I see any more on it.
If you say what? How many marks are that? It says a multiple choice?
It's a multiple choice, yes. I'm gonna see if I see any more on this same. Oh my god, it's turned upside down. Sir, I saw one more, but it is upside down, so I'm gonna have to turn my laptop
Yeah.
upside down.
Go ahead.
So it's the log um x plus 2 um over 5x to the third power. Let me check.
Like that?
Yes, sir, that's it.
Log. Then you have x plus 2 over 5x cubed.
Yeah, yes, sir.
And that's it alone? Not more to that?
Yeah, 1 second. Yes, sir, that's it.
Mommy.
And what else to do with this one in the on the question paper?
Let me look again, 1 second. Says that the expression is written as, the expression is written as, or can be written as.
So the expression can be written as, oh, so they want us to, okay, so the expression can be written as, okay, say anything else? You see any other?
I'm still looking, sir.
Okay, no problem. The rest of you, can you do the same thing, please? Can you just look for something for me, please?
Sorry, you said to look for some in the past paper?
Yeah, man. I
Okay.
need about 2 or 3 more questions.
All right, so I find one more, sir. So it's
Mm-hmm.
log to the base 3,
Mm-hmm.
open bracket 2x minus 1,
Mm-hmm.
close bracket, plus log to the base 3, 5.
Mm-hmm. What am I to do with that?
It says write as a single log. I don't know what that's supposed to mean.
2 more. Just find 2 more. Anybody, somebody. 2 more questions.
All right, there is one more. This
Mhm.
one is log to the base 2, 8 equal to 3.
Log to the base of 8 equals 3.
No, log to the base 2, 8 equal 3.
What? Look at what I have on the screen. Log to the base 2 of 8 equals 3. That's what you say?
Yes, sir, that is it. Log to the base 2, 8 equal 3.
Are you supposed to do that?
1 second, let me look back. It says write as a single log. No, hold on there. No, it says write in logarithmic form.
No, but it's already in the logarithmic form. So sure say don't say write in the index form.
No. Sorry, I don't know what kind of paper this. It look like them give it this to confuse the brain. Just like I explain it to you, that's what is there.
Look at the board. Look at the board and tell me if what I have on the board is what they have on the
Let me see.
paper. Number 4.
All right, so log to the base 2, 8 up at the top equal 3. That's it. And it's a right to the logarithmic form, and it's 1 mark. It's in the paper section B, I think. Let me look back at it. Yeah, nothing is missing. Or you can remove that and put then evaluate log to the base 8. This was, I think it's a square root sign with 5 at the in the roots and 8 underneath it. If I'm explaining it right.
All right, do me a favor. Just screenshot that little piece there, so please, and just drop it in the chat for me.
God. So me just go send the paper.
All right, you can send the paper
Wait,
because
let me stick it with my phone.
I am seeing. I can understand 1, 2, 3, but 4 and the 5 that you're talking about, I'm clueless. I'd have to see what the question looks like.
So, sir, is log base 8 fifth root of 8.
Look and see if how I write it. Number 5 is if that's what is on the paper.
Yes, sir, that's it.
What was the instruction for that one? Number 5.
One second. Let me look, sir. One second. So it's evaluate.
That's correct. Go back to number 4, please. I don't understand what 4 is asking.
So I'm gonna put it in the chat. Just 1 second. I just want to save it to the computer.
The rest of the students, you must have your past papers. I will take a deliberate effort, like I'm doing tonight, to get into the past paper to work questions. You have to get the past papers.
Sir, what about number 4? Number 4 is correct?
I don't know. I'm just checking to see. Do you have a copy of that paper too?
Sir, I'm gonna send it in the chat. Just 1 second.
Oh, okay, no problem. No, it's just that somebody was asking for number 4. So when it is sent, I will look at it and then we'll just start working these questions. And then I want to move into some equations tonight.
Can check the chat now, sir.
Thank you. All right, so you see number, you see part C, you see the same question, there, Priscilla, log to the base 2 of 8 equals 3,
Yes, sir.
and it says write in the logarithmic form.
Yes, sir.
I want full question right here,
Me know.
because it's already in logarithmic form. So that's why I was wondering what it is that the question is asking. It's already in the logarithmic form. There is nothing you can do. So it must have been to write in the index form. So we're
That's
going
why I
to
said. That's why I said, sir. It look like them write it to trick we.
no man, but hold on, the log to the base 3 of 5. That's what you said, log to the base 3 of 5. Log to the base 3 of 5. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna put this. We're gonna say write in the index form. All right. Are we ready now for? Are we ready for work? Are we ready? Students?
Sorry, I mean, if we're it is yes, sir, we're ready to work.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do log to the base 4. Log to the base 4 of x plus 10 minus log to the base 4 of 7 minus 2x. Hey, 7 minus 2x. Is equals to 1. When I subtract logs, are we what log are we in?
4.
Log to the base 4. So it means that everything's supposed to be in log to the base 4, don't?
Yes, sir.
So look at what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say log to the base 4 of a number is equals to 1. How do I convert that from the logarithmic form to the index form?
So the 1 equal x.
4 to the x equal 1.
Really?
No, I saw.
Mm-mm.
Sir, 4 to the 1 equal x.
4 to the 1 equal x. Therefore, x equal
X is equal.
to 4.
4.
4, right. So what we're gonna have now is log to the base 4 of 4. And that's what I'm gonna use to replace that 1. So I'm gonna rewrite the equation as log to the base 4 of x plus 10 minus log to the base 4 of 7 minus 2x is equal to log to the base 4 of 4. When I subtract logs, what do I do?
Divide.
Good job. So this is going to be log to the base 4 of x plus 10 over 7 minus 2x is equal to log to the base 4 of 4. Here now, you can take the anti-log to the base 4 of both sides. That's something new that I'm teaching now. So I'm taking the anti-log to the base 4 of both sides. So
Hi,
therefore,
session.
hi, how you do? So therefore, what we have now is just simply x plus 10 all over 7 minus 2x is equals to 4 over 1. So you notice my first step is to convert that 1 into log to the base 4. Because before I start all the logs, once it's an equation, everything's supposed to be log to the base 4. All right? Unless otherwise stated. So,
Third question.
go ahead.
So you get where the log 4 to the base x equal 1 come from.
That's exactly what I was just explaining. What I was saying to you is that they gave us a question on the left-hand side in log to the base 4. The right-hand side was a whole number. But you can't work the question with log to the base 4 on one side and whole number on the other side. Doesn't make sense. So everything now has to be in log to the base 4. So I'm converting that 1 into log to the base 4. So I'm going to write it as a logarithmic form, and then I'm going to convert it to an index form. Well, yeah, I'm going to convert it to an index form, and then I reconvert it to the logarithmic form. So I'm saying to you that log to the base 4 of a number, I don't know what number it is, that's what I'm trying to find, supposed to be equal to 1. So I'm converting that 1 into log to the base 4. So that's why I wrote this. That's why I wrote log to the base 4 of a number is equals to 1. I'm going to convert that now from the index, from the logarithmic form to the index form. I'm going to get 4 to the first power equal to x. And 4 to the first power is simply 4. The x is going to be equal to 4. So what I'm going to have really is log to the base 4 of 4. So log to the base 4 of 4 is equal to 1. Log to the base 5 of 5 is equal to 1. Log to the base 10 of 10 is equal to 1. Right? Log to the base of a number of that number is going to be equal to 1. So because everything now I've done my combination, and I couldn't divide them first before I do the antilog, because I have to do the antilog first. Sorry, rubbishness. I had to perform the law first before I did anything. So because I'm subtracting, I'm going to divide. Because I'm subtracting, I'm going to divide. So what I'm doing, I'm dividing log to the base 4 of 10 plus, sorry, x plus 10 all over 7 minus 2x. And that is going to be equal to log to the base 4 of 4. Now, because both logs are equal, log to the base 4 and log to the base 4, I am taking the anti-logarithm. Really? The inverse. That's all it means. On both sides. I'm doing it on both sides. Now, when I do that on both sides, I'm just going to be left with x plus 10 over 7 minus 2x equals to 4.
Sir, if we get a question like this, we have to go try to remember to convert everything like that, or to do it
Absolutely.
like that.
Absolutely. This is how the question is supposed to be solved. So I now have two fractions separated by an equal sign. What do I do again? Two fractions separated by an equal sign. What do I do? Hello, students. Come on, man. The day has been long for me. I'm up from 5 o'clock teaching this morning,
Cross
and now I'm in
multiply.
7 to 9 class.
Sorry,
Talk to
I mean
me.
cross multiply.
You're going to cross multiply. Thank you.
Oh, okay, sir.
So it's going to be 1 times x plus 10 is equal to 9 times 7 minus 2x. That is going to be x plus 10 is 9 sevens.
Sir.
9 sevens.
Sir, where
Sir,
you get
you
9
get
from?
mine.
Is it in
Sure,
4?
4 to 9.
Oh, I tell you something, I don't know where I get 9 from. You see me have 9 on the board?
Sir, you're rub it out.
Oh my Lord, I don't know where I get 9 from. 4 sevens.
At 24.
28.
4.
28.
You don't know the time to 4 twos.
Yes, sir.
I don't know where I got 9 from a while ago. All right, we have to pay attention because
Yeah, stop.
I think I want sleep. Okay, let's go. I'm isolating. I'm putting all the x's on one side and everything else on the other side. So it now becomes x plus 8x is equal to 28 minus 10. 8x plus 1x is going to be 9x is equal to 20.
Part is easy, but the top part not easy.
No, man,
That is so longer than.
that one is not a multiple choice question. You know? That one, this couldn't be a multiple choice question. I guarantee you that this was not a multiple choice question.
But this is not a multiple choice question.
It couldn't be. And a question like this is about 6, 7 marks.
Stop it up with me.
How many marks? How many marks, Priscilla, you saw for this one? And what year was this?
Let me check. Sir, funnily, it's a multiple choice question,
No, sir. Yeah, multiple choice. You see x equal to there?
X equal to.
For the answer. We see 2 there as an option. That's an unfair question for a multiple choice.
Sir, here, so we have 9x over 9.
What about it?
Oh, I see what you did.
The X is
But
a one.
So the x, okay.
Yeah, so I added x to both sides, so I can get it on this side. So x plus 8x is 9x. And then I'm subtracting 10 from both sides, so it's here.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Sir, what it mean by anti-log both sides?
I'm
Because
just
I
taking the
don't know.
inverse. I'm just taking the inverse.
So I can't find the question.
Sir, I don't see the inverse right there, son.
When I take the antilog, is me finding the inverse. So it's going to disappear. You notice I don't have any log. I don't have any log on the question in here so again, because I just do the antilog or the inverse of it. You see it now?
Sir, me notice say the logs them gone. But me
Right,
can't see the
because I took the
inverse part.
antilog. Because I took the antilog, I took the inverse of it. So that's them gone. So it was intentional. I wanted them to go.
So yes, basically cancel them then.
Well, I'm taking the antilog of it, so it's gonna eliminate. Yeah, cancel them. Okay, if you understand it better by canceling, sure. But they're going to disappear though.
Sir, but just can't see the 4 over the 1.
Any whole number can be written as a rational number by putting it over 1. So if I have a whole number 2, I can write it as 2 over 1. 10, 10 over 1. That one is just a placeholder. And it doesn't change the value of the 4 because it's not 1 over 4, it's 4 over 1. You can only do that in the denominator. If I had put that as 1 in the numerator, that would be 1/4. That would be a quarter. That would terribly disturb what it is that we want to do.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
sir, Manala, you know, me there, maybe I'm not fair things so far, but me, I want to make remember like everything different.
Is it the time you're worried about you remembering all of the stuff? You just practice the stuff. It will come to you. More practice will cement it. And that's what Sir doing. The more
Why,
questions.
sir? I'm like every
Hmm.
night I get surprised by them maths. Yeah.
It's
When I
not too
feel
much
like
of
I got it, every night I want different story.
it's okay. So put it this way. I'm building on the information. I'm building on the information. So yes, it is getting a little bit more complex because I'm now building. I'm building on the information. But really and truly though, this part is not it's not difficult really, you know. If I were to be honest with you. This part is not difficult at all. But you are correct though in say that every night it's something, you know, a little bit more. Yeah. And that's why I don't move on yet, you know. I came to class and I asked Priscilla to just drop me a 1 question or 2. So this
And
is
there's
really
a
the
lot more too.
yeah, this is just the questions that we're trying to work out. But Jody, stop worrying. Let me just tell you something before. When I was studying, I was very enthusiastic. School start, me run gone by exam paper. And when I'm going through the exam paper, after the something I learned it, and I got very discouraged. Very discouraged. So you know what I did? I would just get my own past papers at a particular time of the semester when I know so I cover X, Y, Z. The only reason I send you into the past papers now is because I wanted to get some questions done up. I am not looking at those items that I have not yet taught you. I'm not looking at those items yet. You don't need to cry. You don't need to get worried. I'm here to guide you through.
Okay, sir, I'll try. Not to think too deep.
Yeah, man. All right, so I'm still leaving it on the board because I want you all now to tell me where it is that you have a difficulty. Because as Jody say, we're not going to reproduce it by myself in the event they ask a question like this.
So I forgot practicing at my own time.
Mm-hmm.
I go burn some night.
Sir, you know, so every day I'm go sleep and people them job. I feel like me not have much time for myself. Cause when I know, say me I wake up at 5:30 to get ready, reach time, do a 8 hour, come home, hurry up in a taxi, reach home as my giant class, go straight to 9 o'clock again, but now next hour I try figure out it's accounts and pre-calc instead of that before I go on bed. You know, if it take them some time to actually understand maths, cause or something hard. Cause like subject them are like reading and you know
Reading.
that yeah. So I just accounts and pre-calc and I something more happy. Oh, yes, that's what you see. So, sir, I'm going to bed late, and then we have a cook for lunch. I'm just going to sleep, and manager tell me, say, me and sleep in that. Sir, I'm not sure. I don't know what to do. Yeah, better to add 1 more hour from the you know.
Listen to me. Don't go call me name, you know. Don't go call me because I don't want nobody come look for me. I know it is rough. All right. And I saw where somebody said that, you know, me and you two girl, you know. Case in point. I understand your situation. At this point in time, your teacher is very tired. Yes, I'm at I could have said to you all, yo, no class tonight. But no, because I got up this morning and I had a good workout with my students, teaching them some early bird sessions for their business calculus exams end of month. Right? It's rough on my side too, and I understand also how rough it is on your side. But me just beg you know, stick with me. Um, I will guide you accordingly for the exam. Stick with me. Are there any questions regarding the first one? Please let me know.
It's fully per question, sir, but as I said, I'm gonna have to work burn some nights and work within my own time.
Sir,
Noted.
it's
Yes, please.
safe to say, all right, when you're taking the anti-log, is it safe to say that you can put log to the base 4 times log to the 4, those two that cancel out each other? That equation x plus 10 over 7 minus 2 equal log to the base 4 times log to the 4, and the log to the 4 would have cancel out each other over there, so?
Yeah, you can look at it like that.
Okay.
Are you okay?
I think I am now.
Good job. And guess what?
Hold on, repeat that explanation again. When I catch it good.
Go again. Oh, it's who you want the explanation from me or from the student?
No, it don't matter. I just need that to be explained again.
Come, student. Let me hear what it is that you have.
And me, she's saying, sir?
Mm-hmm. Go through the Shaki.
So you would have, so you would have log to the base 4 times log to the 4, x plus 10 over x over 7 minus 2x equal log to the 4, log to the base 4 to the 4 times log to the base 4.
Briefly, you see that?
Sir, I see that.
The log to the base 4
She said that she had an explanation that I just wanted her to repeat. How the log 4 cancels out log 4, something like that. Okay.
So yeah, that's what I'm saying. The log to the base 4 on each side would have cancelled out each other. Sir, write it next you can see, please. Maybe that would have more better.
What I'm saying to you, Ambridge, is that log to the base 4, log to the base 4. Because all of those are in the same log. And I want to convert it now to a to a rational equation, I'm going to take the anti-log to the base 4 of both sides. When I take the anti-log of both sides, it's as if I'm finding the inverse. So the anti-logs will drop off. Woohoo! Talk to me.
Okay, sir.
All right, good job. All right, now this one says log x plus 2 over 5x cubed expressed as a single. Expressed as a oh, the expression can be written as. All right, now technically I'm asking you to convert it into a logarithm, into an index form. Well, not necessarily an index form, sorry. You want them to, they want you to separate the log. When I divide logs, what do?
Subtract.
Good. Break up this one, please. Log to that. Break up this. What are we going to write when I break this up?
Sir, you would assume the log base as a 10.
Good.
So,
And what else?
so it would be log 10 x plus 2
Good job.
minus
Mm-hmm.
log 10 5x squared.
Very good, Roro. That's the end of the question.
Sir, you have x cube in the question. 5x cube.
Oh, come to me. Thanks, yeah, my dear. Well, I appreciate it. Now, that looks like a multiple choice question. That one there looks like a multiple choice.
All right, sir. So I'm gonna see if I get this. I get this now. I'm just want to see. We don't see no log to base now, so we assume 10. And then that's how we are divide, you know, like a subtract. So log 10 to x plus, two more say, or by, let me say, log base 10, log to the base 10 by x plus 2 minus 5 to the base 10. So for real. So the x, I know one base. X are just 5x3, 5x cubed. So log to the base 10 by 5x cubed. Oh, I think we get it.
Okay. All right, number 3.
Sorry, it finished right there, sir?
Yes.
It would have
It
finished
says
here, so because I'm gonna ask you for just it show the other expression it can be written as.
right.
Another
It
way.
says, yeah, you're correct, Monique.
Sir,
Yes,
that means
please.
that we have to pay attention to what the question I asked. Say now
Yes,
if
I.
we go ahead and we also we are
Yes, I. Yes, I.
wrong.
Mm-hmm. Are you good? Oh, see.
So we could find that one there, I would assume. Silence means consent. Can move on to number 3.
All right. I want you to try number 3 for me, please. All of you, give an attempt for 3. I'll come in.
So that's that word there. This is right. Right as a single logarithm or solve. Well, like right.
No,
Sir.
man. Leave my handwriting alone. Right as a single logarithm.
Thank you.
Oh, goodness. Britzy or something else. Let me know when you finish. Please.
Sir, I tried.
That's the spirit. The rest of you?
Finish, sir.
Good
Yes.
job. That's only 3 out of 34.
I have an answer as well, sir.
I don't know what I have, but I have something.
Sir, I also have something.
Mhm. All right, right as a single fraction. Both of them are in log to the base 3. Both of them are the same thing as the one that we just did before. Just log to the base 3 of 2x minus 1 plus.
Sir, miss off the X.
Thanks, Beer. Why? Has them dark. Log to the base 3 of 2x minus 1 plus log to the base 5. When I'm adding logs, what do I do?
Multiply.
Multiply.
Good job. So tell me what to write.
Log 3. Log to the
No.
base 3. Oh, 5 times 2, 10.
Just tell me 5 times 2x minus 1. Very good. Roro. Very nice.
So
The
what you say?
second, she was going to say 5 times 2x is 10x, and she was going to tell me 10x minus 5. So I
Oh,
just said to her, just leave it as a product.
okay.
The second time you answer me in class, row, and you did pretty well. Keep it up.
Sir,
Recall.
me always a talk, sir. Yeah, you need to
Tonight. And you answer me tonight. You answered 2 questions tonight correctly. So I'm bigging you up for tonight so far.
All right, sir.
Yeah, man. So recall log to the base a of b. C is equal to log to the base a of b minus log to the base a of c. And this one, recall, is log to the base a of b over c is equal to log to the base a of b minus log to the base a of c. Any questions?
I have a question, sir.
Go right ahead.
So night time you dream about them something, yeah?
Huh?
At night time you dream about them something, yeah?
Nope, it's not me.
So if all this stuff in your head.
Not me. Oh, wait a minute. Something we just write a while ago?
call them, so it's them bad what it like good.
Well, yeah, I have to, and I want you to get to that stage as well.
Definitely.
Yeah, man, and you will get to that stage.
The question finish.
And done. It says write as a single logarithm.
And we just write the recall thing at the end.
You don't have to, I'm just recalling for you.
Okay.
I'm just recalling for you.
Sir, so what if we multiply it out?
You wouldn't lose a mark,
Yeah, because it's solved as a single
yeah, you don't get
logarithm.
the same mark, So if they put 10x minus 5, we'll get maybe give you the same number of marks. Yeah, man, but I give you the same number of marks. Talk to me. Questions?
None so far, sir.
Good job. So they made a mistake with the question because in number 4 they say write as in logarithmic form. Duh, it's in logarithmic form already. Log to the base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. So how do I convert this from the logarithmic form to the index form?
Sir, 3 is equal to 2 to the 8 power.
Is she correct?
No, sir.
2 to the 3 equal 8, sir.
Good job.
Yes, sir. No, I said to God, me I said, no, this sound wrong. It seems that was sound wrong. I drew it wrong. I'm sorry, son of you write it. I get on the board.
And not only that, me I laugh of tape on the screen. Ha ha, Jody. So 2 to the 3rd is equals to 8. All right? Now, you know I'm always the one who is encouraging you. The only way, Jody, you're going to be able to read off them something like why do it is by studying, is by practicing. So it is that you can say, oh, this is what they want us to do. That is what they want us to do. You have to. You can't learn it any other way. I promise you. All right, last one. Whoa. That one don't look friendly at all. Log to the base 8. Might take cut off Daniel. All right, recall. The nth root of a is going to be equal to a to the 1 over n. Anybody remember that?
Yes, sir, from what we're doing indices.
Right. So, I can rewrite this as log to the base 8 of 8 raised to the 1/5 is equal to a number. I'm converting that number now from the logarithmic form to the index form. How do I do that?
Sir, 8 to the x power is equal to 8 to the 1/5.
What do I do next?
Um, So like how
And cancel out the 8 them and say X over 1.
If I cancel out your dinner tonight, you don't you
X
starve.
plus 1/5.
No,
Since
ma'am.
Or
the
X is
bases are
equal
the
to
same,
1/5.
Since the
the power
bases
is
are the same,
equal.
thanks, you're already not going to taste nice. Since the bases are the same,
You equal.
we equate.
Sure, so now same thing. Therefore, X equal 1/5. Oh. Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, so, okay.
But remember, Annie, you have to make a statement. You can't just say cancel out the 8. You're not canceling out the 8. You're equating the powers because the bases are the same.
Okay.
You follow me, mom?
sir,
Okay.
let me ask you again. When we get the exam or whatever, the midterm, we have to recall and write out like since this and since that.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, so when we in the exam, we have to write since the bases are the same, we equate.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus, sir.
Sir, suppose we can't remember
Sir,
that.
suppose we get the question right, the answer right. So
Well,
So I still do twice.
there's a detailed rubric, and there are some steps that you have to show. Failure to show those steps,
So you know what's
not.
very crazy with whoever create math, them know say it done hard and them are add and hurt with.
Sir, so given this question value 8 marks,
Mhm.
and we skip the part where says since the bases are the same, over we reach down to the part where say X equal 1/5. How much we get out of 8 marks?
I get 7 what I hear.
That's what you thought.
That not sound like so because sir take too long to answer.
That's right. So Nita Boo, all right, so if this were a 5 mark, let me show you where the 5 marks will go. Converting from that to the index form. Well, doing this conversion, you get a mark. You get a mark here. You get a mark to know that that is that. And you get a mark right here. So that will be a 4 marker question.
Sir, so that means you would have only take off the 1 mark for the since whatever
Yeah,
we're doing, right?
right.
It will be a 5 mark. What would the recall?
The recall is what it is. That's the first mark it got.
Oh.
The 8 to the 1/5 over.
No, but me I say we I get grade down if you don't write it, like recall and
No.
oh.
Mm-mm.
Why, sir, yeah, so me not worrying about why.
You're so patient I am tonight. I'm listening. I'm giving you an opportunity to ask your questions. I am not rushing you because we soon start to teach something new. Just take your time and do the stuff.
Sir,
Look at it.
sir,
Yes,
so you
please.
can
Go
tell me
ahead.
why we have to do that course here, sir.
Why? Okay.
Like sir tell you, sir I can tell you say the man will build the bridge, what do you I them use.
Yeah,
Those
but
are
we not plan for the bill bridge.
You don't know. You don't know,
Sir, me
Nita.
sure, sir, more you be honest, more you be honest, sir. You can't say something.
Sure.
In all honesty, apart from you now we become this great teacher in another subject here which me no know. In your daily life, if you wasn't a teacher of the subject, how it help you in a life?
I would have
Be
taken.
honest.
Honestly, I would have taken so many things for granted, because mathematics is right around. It's funny you ask that question. You don't. When if I have you for business calculus, I'll show you. So it's funny that you're asking that question, because I was teaching my business calculus students this morning at 5 o'clock. I was teaching them differentiation. And you know, I knew one of them was going to ask me, sir, then how does that going to help me? So you know what I did? I took an equation to class. However, I didn't have enough time to do it, and I promised them that I'm going to do it tonight. You should see the McDonald's sign, or the McDonald's sign look. When you go far and I see McDonald's sign, where you look for?
The big M.
The big M. Do you know that it's mathematics that is able to, you can actually mimic that big M somewhere right here in Jamaica by making it? Because that arch in it, the two arches in it, I have the equation. I found the equation this morning and I wanted to plot it and show the students what it is. When you look at a chef that is cooking, a teacher hospitality students applied mathematics. Because they will have to know how to do their portions and how to convert from pounds to kilograms and the works. And they don't want to ask me who's going to help them. Them say, sir, me not gonna lie to you, sir. Accommodation I do. Me not go nowhere near the kitchen. But I'm gonna tell you though, a student of mine, past student of mine, did the hospitality program, went off to the States, got married up there. And hold on, please. So a past student of mine from the hospitality program uh, went up and did his internship, and you know, long story short, he became assistant manager for a five-star hotel in Florida. Now, he was actually in housekeeping. And just at the time when they were supposed to be preparing the checks, the salaries for the workers, the system went down like away. The manager, who didn't like this black boy, never know if you don't. People them start get restless. Say, yo, I'm for go in, I want my money. See him say, him say, beg a piece of paper there. And he started to calculate. And when he was done calculating and him count out the money and pay the people them, him say, sir, the lady went with the paper something and she gonna complain because she thinks I'm gonna give her the money. But when the light came back and the accountant came and put in the number of hours and how much money they took, everything correct to the T. And the same manager who never like him say, how do you know to do this? And because him bring can face him say, yo, a Jamaica me come from here. And them things I'm learning in school. What's the point? You don't know where this life is going to take you. Lots of you talk about how, sir, I'm going to be doing business. I'm going to become an entrepreneur. You have to go do your maths. You have to go do your maths. And I keep saying to students, the most beautiful thing about it is if you have a child wanting help in mathematics, you're better able to do it because you have an appreciation for it. Trust me. Any questions? Any other questions?
No, sir.
All right. That is it. 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 All right. Everybody have the calculator with them? No? A calculator with them? With you?
Yes, sir.
Come to the rest of it. And talk to me now, man. Sure, I make the class feel dead. Just talk to me now, man. Who has the calculator with them?
I do, sir.
No, no, calculator. Phone can use. I'm a
No,
phone
you
can
will
use
do.
scientific something.
All right, let's just oh Lord, which one should I start? All right. Go to the x equals 4. What's the value of x?
2.
X equals 2. Let us check. 2 squares equal. That's using indices. I'm going to go back to the same question. 2 to the x equals 4. Now, watch me. X log 2 equals log 4. I'm taking the logs of both sides. Two log x log 2 is equals to log 4. I'm going to divide both sides by log 2.
Well, sir, to be honest, I cannot understand those writing.
Sure. I mean, no, when a push comes to shove, you can't write, but let me, you know. Sure. Can you understand that?
Yes, sir. 2x equal 4.
Good.
X log 2.
Equals log 4.
Mm-hmm.
I'm dividing both sides by log 2. Those cancel, so I'm left with x equals log 4 divided by log 2. These are in log to the base 10. Your calculators are calibrated to log to the base 10. So do me a favor. You're going to press, some calculators they press log, then 4, then they close the parentheses, then it's divided by log, then 2, then they close the parentheses. Or, well, familiarize yourself with the stuff. Or you just put log 4 in the calculator, just press log and 4, or 4 then and log. However your calculator works it. Do log 4 divided by log 2 for me and see what you get.
2.
Supposed to be equals to 2. Good.
2, sir.
Mm-hmm. No, I gave that
Yes, I
question.
get 2 too.
Right. I gave that question in class the other day. I gave that question in class the other day.
Sir, 2.
Mm-hmm. Anybody remember that question?
Unnecessary method.
Hmm?
Sure. It depends on which question, sir.
Yes, sir.
How about that question again?
So it was log 3 squared
Good job.
over log 3
And then we wrote?
equal 2 log 3 over log 3. And we got 6 the answer.
No, ma'am. Supposed to get
Huh?
2 for the answer.
Oh, 2, sorry, 2.
Do you recognize that this and that are the same? Sir, how you know? 3 squares are 9. 2 squares are 4. Watch me. So that's calculator work. Brain cell work. Log 4 over log 2 is the same thing as log 2 squares over log 2. So whichever I did it 2 ways. And whichever way I did it. Oh my goodness. I did 2 ways, and whichever way I did it, I got the same answer. Talk to me. Everybody say that?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to pause. Something is bothering me, and it's bothering me to the point where I have to talk about it. When I ask a question, are you understanding? It's the same set of people that are answering me. The same set of people that are answering me. And then when I go in at the exam, I'm going to do something and fail it now. When I go say, they never like the teacher. I couldn't learn from online. Online is not for me, but when you need to pay attention. When you need to pay attention, you know. And teacher asks a question to get you involved and you're not doing a thing. You're not doing a thing, guys. And trust me, I'm tired for talk to you. I'm tired for talk to you and talk about the same something. Not work out. Not work out. I ask a question and everybody sits around their device, or maybe you're not at your device. Maybe that's a problem. And it's the same set of students answering me. The same set of students answering me. And then what you're going to do is your misconceptions. You didn't get an opportunity to talk it through in class. So you can go back and make the same mistake. You're not learn. Mm-hmm. Any questions, please?
Sir.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna tell you the truth.
No, 1 minute you're what? Somebody saying something. 1 minute you're what? Go ahead. Who is talking? Annie?
What you said, sir?
No, somebody was saying something and then you were just trying to come in. Who was it that was saying something?
No.
All right, run it, you what? Tell you the truth?
Yeah, may I tell you the truth, sir? It's when you work out the something them. For the most part, I understand what you do when you work it out. But you see when they tell me to do it, I mean I understand. Me never know.
Me too.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah, but I understand when you work it out and I say, oh yeah man, this, that, I'ma get it. But it's when they say for work it out, me never know if start. But when you do it now, it's like me, I say, oh, so that's all me. And I get to realize that most of the students, they can correct me if I'm wrong, but majority of the students that's participating, they might do it again. We do it for the first time. So I think that is probably a little bit of the problem that we're having. Most of the students that's participating have an idea already. We don't.
And it means then that if that's the case, you have to go work doubly hard in order to keep up.
You alright? You want me to give you a suggestion? So, for example, sir would have done these questions. Just do them over. That's what works for me. Do them over. Them
Do it,
over.
but I'm going to tell you the truth, them I audit my department and boy rough.
So that is the problem. So the problem is you come to class, you're learning the stuff, but you're not able to go home to reinforce it. So when now you're finished now, and you're ready for go to the question, the idea that you know how to do the question evaporate out of your head. Because you never got no, and this is real talk, you know. If when you learn if when you learn something, I don't reinforce it, you lose it. You know, sometimes go ahead.
Sir, I think it's because we have too much things going on, to be honest. Because you have a child, you have a work, you have a it's just a lot.
But Priscilla, okay, I hear you. It's not it's not easy. It's not easy for the teacher them to, you know. You saw what happened to me with this, which class is this? Well, you didn't see what happened to me, but yeah, man, you have seen what happened to me with the foundation 3. I had 50 plus scripts to mark, 50 mash scripts to mark. And now talk about 49, 50 plus scripts to mark. All right, at times 2 questions, times 20 multiple choice, and I just laughed to myself. And I laughed to myself and I laughed to myself. And I'm saying to you that I ended up giving up sleep for the whole weekend. I would go to bed at, like last night I went to bed at after 9 o'clock, call it 10 o'clock I went to bed. And by 12 o'clock I was up because I have a deadline working on. I still don't finish it. I have a deadline working on. And I get up and do some other stuff. So guess what? Priscilla, I hear you loud and clear, but I'm going to tell you a secret. Many have come before you and have done it. Many have. And I'm going to tell you, for the graduation, for the last couple of years, it's the evening students that are coming out as top performers in the institution. Evening students that are coming out as top performers because them know so them have to put in the extra work. Them know me have to put in the extra work. So I'm saying, I understand. But guess what? It is what it is. You have to put in the work. If you don't reinforce something, then by the time you're ready for go catch it, it gone. You have to reinforce.
Sir, that's why I said I have to put in, oh my God, the laptop is gonna die.
Yeah, man, you have to put in the work, man. You have to put in the work. And that's the only way we can get it out. All right, I'm going to give you a few of these questions. Oh, matter of fact, no. No, not yet.
Are serious? When we can get some past paper?
Online. Go to the library online and check for it. Let me ask you.
Sir,
when the thing due again? Oh no, it will just work out?
Yeah.
Oh, remember that you were gonna give us the graded class here.
Yeah, man. I remember. I have it, but it's on a different machine. I came on very early
Just
tonight.
send one to Canvas.
No, man. It did one. I could use it too. I could put it there as well. Um, I want to show you a relationship. I want to show you a relationship.
Sorry, your Canvas is up and working now.
Supposed to.
And recordings is there as well?
I must ask you, anybody seen the recordings? Hello? Has anyone seen any of the recordings?
Yes, sir.
I'm checking.
Where, sir? On Canvas?
No.
So check the email.
Email?
Yeah, check.
No.
Well,
Yes, sir. I see them coming.
Thank you very much.
It's only the whiteboard you're getting at the email, no recording.
Oh, that's Rasheen, is what you just said a while ago is exactly what was happening to me. Only
Yes,
the
sir.
whiteboards were coming in and stuff, and students were getting very antsy with me, and I was saying to them that I am not getting the recordings. I am only getting the whiteboard. And they were getting very antsy with me, and I said, okay, fine. And the next thing I know, they were going to do is to go and report me, and it wasn't a problem. Them can't go and do anything they want to do, but all I was getting was just the whiteboard. So I went to ICT and complained that I'm sorry, but I'm not seeing the stuff. And then ICT, I don't know what they did, but they started sending me the stuff. So the recording started coming in this week. This week. And there's a whole bunch of them coming in. And what I have been doing is taking my time and just uploading them. So the truth is, I have about 4 more or so recordings to do. I don't know if those are all pre-calculus, but I know I have entered quite a bit of pre-calculus recordings. But I'm so happy that I have a witness. But life is funny. I'm going to tell you why I say life is funny. Because when the recordings weren't coming up, there were students, it's in my YouTube channel, Mark Shand at 5. Will you tell them, please? I can't really remember my own channel. When the recordings weren't coming up, every night people came, sir, what about the recordings? What about the recordings? And now I'm asking about the recordings.
Sir?
And yes, please.
Excuse me, sorry to cut you.
Mhm.
I have been checking my email, but I'm not seeing any of the recordings. And what I mentioned earlier, the work are getting in the way of my study.
Right.
But
All
I
right.
haven't been getting them, sir.
All right, do me a favor. Can somebody just put my YouTube channel in the description of the WhatsApp group, or just write it down now for
It's
me,
in the
please?
WhatsApp group already.
Send
That's
in the
where I
WhatsApp
found them.
group.
You can just type in your name, Mark Shannon, and it will come up on YouTube.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Please,
That's what I did.
please and thanks. So the recordings are going up here, guys. Trust me, I've done quite a bit of. I have been up several nights, as I tell you. I'm teaching 2 nights for the week at 5 o'clock. 2 nights, 2 mornings for the week at 5 o'clock. And I was up, and whenever I'm up, I just start putting the recordings together. All right. So there's a relationship right here that I want to see. There's a relationship there I wanted to see. And I want to see that relationship.
Sir, one second before I forget. So 21 persons voted for the tutorial for this Saturday, and 4 persons voted for no. 1 person was asking if it is possible, if it could be at a later time. So I don't know if you would be able to facilitate that. She was asking about 6 or 7. I told her I would ask. But because you are so hard to get to,
Mm-hmm.
I am about to come to the school and tell them to give me a copy of your day school schedule. So that is how far I am going to go.
You know, you need to hurry and finish so you can come work in the office with me as my assistant. No, true. You need to finish off your study and apply to Excel. So when I see your application, I say, no, this one have to come here to come work. And you come and you work into the dean's office and you be my personal assistant. And me, I'm gonna make sure say you get more money than what you're getting now where you're working. Real talk. Judge and no talk. So you try up and finish. You hear? And incident to the students.
Sir, that sounds like stress. No.
No, what I said a while ago is nothing anything stranger. So quite a number of our students have come back to work with us. Quite a number of my past students are now my co-workers. All right. I won't tell you which one of your lecturers. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's about 6 or so lecturers now at the college who are my past students, and quite a bit of those in administration are my past students because I came to the college and I taught them. So when I can come back now.
You like,
All
I
right.
need to come
There's
and look
something I
at
want you to.
work.
No, real talk. Come on and apply. They will look favorably at you as past students. They will look at you and telling you the truth. They will look at you favorably. All right, let's go. There's something that I want you to pick up. Something I want you to pick up, and I don't want you to miss it. I did it. I did the question here using a calculator, but I did the question here using my brain cell. I could also do it another way. Oh, I did it already. No, I never did it. So let me do it another way and show you. I could say to you here that 2 to the x is equals to 4. 2 to the x is equals to 2 to the second power. Is 4 the same thing as 2 to the second power?
What you say?
You can repeat that, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. 4 is the same thing as 2 to the second power.
Yeah.
So since the bases are the same, we equate the powers, eh? So x equals 2. So many ways of doing it. I still get my x equal 2.
Yes, sir.
Now, good. Now the point I'm making is there are times you're going to be given equations to work, and you are not going to be able to write it in an index form. For example, they may give it 3 to the x is equals to 5. Can I write 5 in a base 3 raised to the power? Then no. So no.
Sir, I say it already. I said no.
Okay, I didn't hear you. No. So, but I can also guess. We're gonna work it out and I get the answer, but I can guess something here. Let me help me guess. What is 3 to the 0?
Sure,
1.
1. Good. What is 3 to the first power?
3.
3.
Good job. What is 3 to the second power?
9.
9. All right, watch me. You recognize that is 5? 3 to the x equals 5?
Yes, sir.
Where does 5 fall in this?
In between 3 and 9.
In between 3 and 9, right? Very good. Good answer. 5 fall between there. So what I can say to you, you see that this is 3 to the first, and this is 3 to the second, and this is 3 to the x. I can say that the answer is going to fall between 1, this one, and this 2. You follow me?
So far, sir.
Good.
Sir,
Go ahead.
sir, so you can say it greater than 3 to the first power, but less than 3 to the second power.
Good job. So I know my answer is going to be, the value of what I'm going to be getting will have to be like, it's going to be greater than 1, but it's going to be less than 2. All right, let us check now to see if we're right. Since we can't do it in the index form, we have to do it by the logarithmic form. So we're going to say x log 3 is equals to log 5. X log 3 equal log 5. I divide in both sides by log 3. Do that on a calculator for me, please, and tell me what you get. Log 5 divided by log 3 equals?
So, 3 into 5, 1 point. So 1 point something?
Yeah, but tell me what it
Sir,
is.
1.5 basically.
1.5 what?
All right, so it's 1.464
Okay.
and counting.
Oh, so it's in a row it off a 5.
That's why I run it off to 5.
Sometimes they will say to you,
I was 5 after the point.
sometimes they will give you, if Priscilla looks at our multiple choice paper, you will see sometimes they give you questions like what I just gave you, but they don't give you 2 decimal places. They go all the way up to like 3 decimal places.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Right. So that's what it is. That's what it is, guys. It looks hard, but those are the simple stuff for you to do. Simple stuff. I am going to give you some of those questions. And I'm going to give you 10 minutes to work those questions. And let us see how well we can. All right. Life is not always easy. So right. I'm going to give you 15 minutes to work those questions. If you get stuck on any of them, just move on. I'm not going to stop to do any of those questions, and then now I'll come and just work those questions. So if you get stuck, move on to another question, but I want you to attempt those 8 questions, please and thanks. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good
sir.
job. Obviously, finish them.
Finish them, sir.
Something, sir.
To me, sir, 6, 7, and 8, I reach to the final answer. But already, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
before you do that, how you get 1.464 up there, so? My understand says log 5 over log 3, but how you get that 1.4 something?
Divide.
Use the calculator.
When me divide another, the answer me get.
You're not going to divide 5 by 3, no. You're going to divide log 5 by log 3.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, sir, so that means me gonna need a scientific calculator then.
That would be useful. Yes, ma'am. Says log 5 divided by log 3. All right, so let's go. I am guessing that the first one is going to fall between 1 and 2 because 0 and 1, sorry. No, 1 and 2 because 4 to the 0 is 1, 4 to the first is 4, but I want 5, and 4 to the second is 16. So my
Yes,
answer is
sir.
going to be 1 point lick something. What is
Yes,
the answer
sir.
for?
1.160.
Right. So you see, all I say is little something. Let me show you what I'm talking about because I want you to be able to have an idea of what the answer is because I'm teaching you how to answer your multiple choice. 4 to the x is equals to 5. We know that 4 to the 0 is equals to 1. Two little bit. 4 to the first is equals to 4. Still 2 little bit. 4 to the second is equals to 4, 16. Too much because of 5 I want. So that means our answer is going to be closer to 1 than it is 2. So we're going to say x log 4 is equals to log 5. Divide both sides by log 4. So x equals, what is saying the answer is 1.2?
1.25?
1.160.
Yeah, that's what I
Point.
got to 1.160.
Good job. That's the answer. Number 2.
Sir, what I did with my calculator, I had to put the number in before the log.
Yeah, man. Right. So you will need to know how to the algorithm of your calculator. The algorithm is how you write out something in your calculator. It differs from calculator to calculator. All right. Just like how the phone and the tablet and the computer them differ. Some computer have the keypad to the right hand side, some just have it up to the top. Eh? So you have to know how your calculator gets. So yes. Somebody who I don't know if it was Britley who asked, then so a scientific calculator, yeah man, you can't borrow somebody calculator the day before the exam, or worst case, the morning of the exam. All right, let's go. So I'm guessing here 2 to the 0. You don't have to do it like what I'm doing right here, but I'm just showing you something here because I'm teaching you how to answer the multiple choice. You can make intelligent guesses on the multiple choice. 2 to the 0 is equals to 1. No, 7 want. 2 to the first is equals to 2. No, 7 want. 2 to the second is equals to 4. No, 1, 7. 2 to the third is equals to 8. Oopsie daisy, I pass it. But 8 is not too far from 7, so I know my answer is going to be 2.0. So I'm going to say x log 2.
2.807.
Right. Are you seeing the point that I'm making?
Yes, sir.
Log 2. So x is equals to 2.8.
07. 807.
07. If you follow me, students, you can't fail. Just work with it.
Just give me them question here for the 30 mark and we will follow you.
Sir, it's always 3 numbers behind the decimal sign.
I would use 3. If they want less, they will tell you.
The question will tell you?
Yeah, they will tell you. So if they don't tell you, leave 3. But if they tell you, use any amount them answer to leave. But if them don't tell you, leave 3.
Okay.
Watch this one, 5 to the x equals 4. Watch me. 5 to the 0 equals 1. Nope. 2 little bit. 5 to the first equals 5. Blow, that's too much. That means our answer is going to lie between 0 and 1. But it means that when we're closer to 1.
No,
so
sir. 0.861.
That's why I say it's closer to 1. 0.8
Yes,
close to 1,
yes,
you know?
yes, yes,
Right,
yes.
yeah.
0 point, yes.
So it's going to be x log 5 is equals to log 4 divided both sides by log 5. X is equals to 0.861, you say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Last step
0.6.
on the whiteboard. Which one are they?
Sir, me little bit slow on that one. Please, may I beg you do over number 3.
All right. 5x to the fourth. So I am checking my answers and I'm saying, all right, I want to have an idea where my answer is going to lie. So when I get my stuff, I can know if I'm on the right track. So I'm going to put 5 to the 0. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. Nope, because I want 4. So that can't work. I'm going to try 5 to the first power. 5 to the first power is equal to 5. Uh-oh, I pass it because I want a 4. So I'm saying to you that my answer lies between 0 and 1. But because 5 is not too far from 4 and vice versa, 4 not too far from 5, I know my answer is going to be closer to the 1 than it is to the 0. You see, just like how I could say to you down here, so that 4 and then 8, but 8 is not too far from 7. So I know my answer is closer to 3 than it is to 2. See here, closer to 3, 2.807. So you can do intelligent guessing, because if I got this as a MCQ, multiple choice question, if I got that as an MCQ, the truth is you may have 2.807 as one answer. You may have 2.402, 2.125, 2.807, and they might go out at 3.125. You know, say it now go reach a 3 because the 3 is going to be 8, so that you rule out that immediately. It's not going to be the 2.125. Why? Because it's closer to 3. So you can say that one of these two will be your answer, right? So that's how, if you don't know, how, you do a process of elimination. Because right there and then, each multiple choice question gives you a 25% chance of getting it right. But when you do your process of elimination and eliminate 2 of the answers, now you have a possibility of getting a 50% chance of getting the question right. So it increases your opportunity in getting the question right. All right. We have 6 minutes. Let's just see if we can do about 3 more questions in the 6 minutes. Number 4. 8 to the 9. 8 to the x is equals to 9. And I'm checking 8 to the 0 is equals to 1. 8 to the first power is equals to 8. 8 to the second power is equals to 16. Nope. It's going to be closer to the 1 than it is to 2. So I know my answer is supposed to be closer than 1 than it is to 2. So I'm going to say x log 8 equals log 9. Divide both sides by log 8. X equals to 1 point who?
1.056.
All right. Are all my guesses so far where the answer fall? Are they correct?
Yes, sir.
Only get
Sir, they're correct.
1.025.
Can you calculate cheap?
It's 1.056 I got.
Yeah, I got 1.125 as well.
You get 1.125? All
Yes,
right.
and I did the same steps, just the calculator me
All right,
use.
do me a favor. Do me a favor. Clear the calculator. Out of it, turn the calculator off and turn it on again, please. Off and then
No,
on.
sir, it's the one on the computer I use.
Oh. All right, try it again now. Maybe this one is wrong. Try it again.
So,
I
sir,
get the same the same answer.
What is it?
1056.
That's what I got
And
too.
it's a
Yes, that's what I
calculator I'm
got too.
using.
Yes, sir, we get the same thing.
1056? 1.056?
Yes, sir.
All right. I need to also tell you, sometimes when you work your calculator, just grab it up and just start calculating. Don't do that. Always get into the habit of clearing your calculator. How do you clear it? You press your
Sir,
AC or C,
I just reset it.
or you can reset it or you turn it off and on to clear the memory. Because sometimes the memory is stored in there and you get a wrong answer. And if you're working, I swear you're right. I've been there. So everybody get the 1.056 now?
For three,
Yes, sir.
I'm here calculating, trying to check to see how you get 0.861. And I did it about 5 to 6 times now, and I am getting 0.757. I'm not sure if it is that.
All right, clear the calculator. Turn it on and off, please.
The regular calculator, that's what I get, the 1.25.
All right. And then now put log 4 divided by log 5 for me. Let me just...
Same thing, sir. Same thing.
All right, let me bring up my calculator now. And convert it to scientific. And I'm doing log 4. Log to the base 10 of 4. You see? My calculator now. Log to the base 10 of 4. Divided by log to the base 10 of 5. I get 0.861. That answer is correct. Hello?
Sir,
Yes,
did they
sir.
put log twice?
What again,
I
Peter?
was checking if they did log twice, like. Because sometimes they probably will. Yeah.
Oh, 4 divided by 5 equal log. Yeah, man, you can't put log and then 4 divided by 5, you know. It has to be log 4 divided by log 5. Exactly how you see it. Log 4 divided by log 5.
Sir,
Same
question.
thing.
These are multiple choice questions?
Not necessarily. Sometimes you get those on the actual paper itself, mid
So
semester
how
or
much
otherwise.
marks is there?
A question like this could be a 3 marker, 4 marker, depending on the difficulty. But
Okay.
but a question like this, if it's multiple choice, of course, is 1 mark.
Okay.
All right. So the person was getting the 1.025. You figure it out yet?
Not quite, sir. I'm going to use a different calculator.
No, sir, I'll have to look for the calculator over the weekend and do it.
Okay.
It's not working on the laptop.
Okay. All right. We have a minute left. We can do 5 and then we can. All right. What I'm going to do with 5, 5, I'm going to jump to number 8. I'm going to do the last one. 4 raised to the 3x minus 2. 4 raised to the 3x minus 2 equals how much? Equals 6. Sir, I don't understand only teachers. Only give you one something and then after that, now give you one difficult something. Yeah, so I build. Watch me. Same difference. 3x minus 2 log 4 equals log 6. Divide both sides by log 4. What is log 6 divided by log 4?
$1.292.
No, I'm going to say 3x is equals to 1.292 plus 2. 3x is equals to 3.292. Divide both sides by 3. 1.097. Check and see if I'm correct, please. 3.2, 3.2.
Yes, sir, that's correct.
Where will you get the question there from?
What am I ahead?
Oh.
I just made it up. I just made up these questions a
Oh,
while
the
ago.
last one you're doing?
Yeah, the last one.
Sir,
Yes, please.
I hope I them, well, I mean, I'm going to say simply, but I hope something like this to get on the midterm, because my head.
And you are going to be, and you are so correct. These are types of questions that we're going to be getting on the midterm. All right. Guess what? Let me just run through 5, 6, and 7. I'll do them quickly for you. Number 5, 3 to the 2x is equal to 5. 2x log 3 equals log 5. Divide both sides by log 3. Two x is equals to log 5.
Oh, really?
1.465?
1.464.
Yeah, it will be 465.
Sir, you know, some may have
464.
sense.
Yeah, 64, but remember the digit after the 4 is a 9.
Just stop right there, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I don't be getting out.
Stop doubting yourself.
Sir, I did it another way, and I got that answer.
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job. Somebody said stop right there. What do you tell me?
Sir, no, I said I did it just like you, but I stopped at 2x equal
Okay. 1.465.
1.464.
Right, but it's not 1.464. Remember, when you're rounding off students, you have to be careful. I wasn't checking that when they were giving me these 3 decimal places. When they give me 3 decimal places, you have to look at the 4th decimal place. If the 4th decimal place is greater than or equal to 5, you add 1 to the other. Right.
Oh. Sure.
All right. Next one is number 6 is 4 raised to the 2. All right, I'm going to do this one without using a calculator. 4 raised to the 2 x plus 1 equals 2. I'm going to do this one without using a calculator. I'm going to say 2 squares is the same thing as 4. 2x plus 1 equals 2 to the first power. Since the bases are the same, I equate the powers. I'm going to say 2 2's 4x. 2 1's 2 is equals to 1.
Sir, I
4
don't
x.
know where on the board you are.
Wait, sir, hold on. Hold on now.
Sir,
We get
What?
there before you write the
Where
bracket.
we get that today?
This 2?
Yes.
I'm converting 4 into 2 squares.
Oh,
Oh, sir, I didn't do that.
I know. That's why I say I'm doing the question. What you all did, you said 2x plus 1 log 4 equals log 2, don't?
yeah.
Right. And
Both ways then.
it can be done both ways. Remember, I said to you the only time it can be done both ways is when you can write them 2 numbers at the same base. Remember that?
Yeah, you get by the same answer.
You get the same answer, but if you can't write it like this, you can't write it two them in the same something. You have to use logs. You have to use logs. So logs only work when you can't write it, but indices work 2 ways. All right. So I am doing it a different way here because I'm showing you that I know. Say.
Sir, I did it just like how you're doing it now.
Okay. And then now 4x is equals to 1 minus 2. 4x is equals to negative 1. Divide both sides by 4. I get x is equals to negative a half. Anybody got that? I mean quarter.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I understand from this, sir. You can do it in the logarithm form or the...
I can.
Okay. So, sir, do it in the next form now, please.
2x plus 1 log 4 equals log 2. Divide by sides by log 2. 4. That cancels that. 2x plus 1 is equals to, what is log 2 divided by log 4?
So when I enter all of that, my own give me 0.5. I don't know if that don't sound correct to me, but I don't know.
It is correct. Is equals to a half. So 2x is equals to a half minus 1 2x is equals to negative a half. Divide both sides by 2. Bam, bam. Divided by 2. This is when x is equals to negative a quarter. So half divided by 2 is a quarter. Same answer. Same answer. Good?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
And then the last one before bedtime. 5 to the 2 minus x equals 3. 5 to the 2 minus x equals 3. I can't write the 5 or the 3 in together. So I'm going to have it as 2 minus x log 5 equals log 3. I hate when they spend that to say Jesus. Log 5, log 3. What is log 3 divided by log 5?
0.682.
Boy, how you do that? 1.328. Am I correct? No, 318.
Sir, what if you did bring over the 2? You'd get the same answer?
You would have, but
There would be
I don't want a negative sign.
Mhm. Okay, sir.
Pick up in yourself. Have a good one, guys. We'll talk.
Yes,
I
sir.
have a quick
Yeah, you too.
question,
Yeah,
sir.
go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Come on, use it.
Do you have any idea when the mid-semester or the finals will be?
I don't know where the final is going to be, and I will tell. I will tell you.
Is it in December though? Because I want to
What?
book my vacation.
What the final exam?
Yes.
Yeah. It's going to be in December, but I can't tell you when. So exams will start. Exams will start where December is now. Exam will start. That's November. Exam will start the first full week of December. So exam may start the
And Spanish is the 3rd.
Spanish is the 3rd.
Yeah.
I don't think so. I think so. They may go up until the 19th this year, you know.
So, sir, the timetable's out already?
Not yet. I don't see any.
And you said mid-semester is face-to-face?
I will let you know. Let me pray about it over the weekend.
So I'm trying to leave. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah, but you can't leave before the final exam. Or are you going to take a vacation before Christmas?
Yeah, it's gonna be mid-November to the end of November.
Okay, you have enough
So I
time.
didn't want to. Okay, I didn't want
Yeah.
to not be here and we have exams.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have enough time. Just remember next class here.
All right, no problem. Thank you.
Big up
Sir,
yourself.
when we find out what is going to happen on Saturday.
Brittley going to communicate that to me.
That's what I was just about to ask. And the Zoom link and all of that we need.
Don't worry about it. I can create a Zoom link, so I'll send it off to you.
And
Not a
sir,
problem.
the perk is overhead for me.
And yeah, man. Remember the name again?
Christoph Aaron. And can I be added to the WhatsApp class? WhatsApp group?
Yeah, man. So you should drop this thing from early, man. So you can't now miss the class on the weekend. Anybody here can add Chris Heron?
Hey man, that's not the number. That's the number.
Thank you.
Sir, good night, yeah.
Good night. Big up on yourself. Me go on to later. You get the number ready, Ambridge?
No, I'm not get it. Hold on.
All right, send now, sir.
Wait, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Big up later. Cool, no problem.